Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at a program in which we're going to be entering the name of the movie and then you get the movie ID for it in TMDB. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. At the top is usually what we're going to do today, then the rules and lesson program. So today we're going to be looking at getting the list of movie IDs. So basically you can enter the name of any movie you want and then it'll give you the movie ID for it. And we're going to be using TMDB again. So when I run this, then I get, so here it says please enter the name of the movie. So for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to stick to Disney movies. So I'm going to enter Frozen this time. So then here it gives the genre IDs, the ID, the language, the original title, and then the overview of the entire movie and what it's about. And then keeps going with different things like popularity, poster path, release date, title, and all that. So basically here I'm creating the guest session ID, after which I'm adding the rating to the movie or the TV series, but we're looking at movie right now. After that I'm deleting the rating that I added earlier, and then I'm getting the list of movie IDs. So basically here what I've done is that I've said name is equal to input and then please enter the name of the movie. And then here I have my URL. So basically I got this URL from the TMDB website, but it took me a while to find it, so I think I'll just tell you how I found it. So the first thing you have to do is go on to developer.themoviedb.com. After that, on the top left corner, there's 4 options: V3, Guides, API Reference, and Change Logs. So you need to press on Guides. Within that, on the sidebar on the left, there should be an option saying search and query for details. So when you press on that, then it will give you the entire method on how to use this, basically this URL and how you can use it. So basically you can also hard code it in. So you can just enter it like this. And now when I run it, and then when it's saying please enter the name of the movie, then I can just put in gibberish because I'm not using it right now. And then here I am getting the ID and the language and everything. But basically because I want the user to enter their own movie name, that's why I'm just going to stick with the variable. So basically, the reason I'm trying to get different movie IDs rather than staying static with the same one is because when you the first time when you rate a movie, when you add the rating, the first time when you do it, then you get a specific status code. But right now, because I'm rating the same movie over and over again, that's why every time instead of the status code that it will get the new time for the first time, it's giving me the status code 1, and then delete it's giving me 13. But basically it's giving me a status code 1 because I've already rated the same movie over and over again because I'm not changing the movie ID right now. Which is why it would be a good idea, I thought, that if I figure out a way to get different movie IDs, then I can keep changing it every time I want to test it out. And because there's such a large number of movies I can just pick from, I can just enter the name of any movie and just use that for the specific moment. So that's why I decided that it would be a good idea if I decide to get the different IDs, and then I can just change it in the add and delete and see how it works. But right now, basically, all you have to do is you have to get onto developer.themoviedb.com, go onto Guides, and then see the search and query for details. There you'll get this URL. And then I've made it so that I can, the user can choose, you can just input whichever value you want, or you can just hard code it if you feel better that way.